Train 262 heavy, wind calm, runway 31 left, clear for takeoff, caution wake turbulence, previous departure heavy 777.
Hello and welcome aboard, and welcome to Wendover in the United States, in Utah. We are here to do our scenery spotlight. We have to go check out our in-game scenery as it is. Take off, you stupid plane. Here, have some flap. Now take off. Just get in the air. Thank you. Alright, now get... Oop. Ugh, whatever. Alright, now we're going to go and check it out. So what did we do? What are we going to do? Well, I decided let's check out the Bonneville Salt Flats. Found a mod for the Bonneville Salt Flats. So, yeah, that's where we're heading. Now, the Bonneville Salt Flats, of course, are very famous for racing. So we're just going to kind of fly along here. Hopefully, they're just... I don't remember how Wendover works. I think they're over this mountain range here. Nice view of the aircraft. So we're going to flop over these mountains here, and we should be at the Salt Flats. Wendover is the closest airport to the Bonneville Salt Flats. In fact, it's right by the Salt Flats according to Google Maps. So these should be the Salt Flats. We'll throttle down a little bit. We are going 677 knots. Alright, yeah, these should be the Salt Flats here that we're coming over now. Not much to see here. Doesn't appear like there's much in the way of salt. It does appear to be very flat, which makes sense. Let's see how low we can go. Famous last words. You know, all kinds of movies are filmed out here. All kinds of craziness is done out here. You've got the famous land speed record race runs out here. It is a place of just craziness. And we are flying mighty, mighty low. I think we can get lower. What do you think? Alright, I'm just kind of cruising along here, checking this out as much as I can, because it looks pretty basic, pretty generic scenery. Nothing really amazing. So, I think at this point, what we need to do is we need to go get our scenery pack, see how that changes. If it changes, what it changes. Oh, wait. Nope, I don't think that changes anything. Nothing's done there. Okay. Alright, let's go get the scenery pack and let's see if it changes anything. Be right back with the scenery pack. We're back at Wendover. Back in our F-35. Woo, we're back to not being able to properly take off our F-35. We have the scenery pack on. Woo, wrong button. You already noticed that the mountains look better. Woo. Gears up. Hello. There we go. Flaps. No flaps there. Okay, there we go. We sorted her out. Alright, so we already have better looking mountains than we had before. Alright, let's go find some salt. This looks a lot like salt, doesn't it? Woo! Okay. Now, maybe I went over there last time. I'm betting that wasn't actually the Salt Flats now. Oh, wait. Yeah, it might be. That might be the Salt Flats. Salt Flats. All right, let's get to this view. All right, so it definitely has changed some of the ground. Now, it looks a lot like snow, but I don't think it really is. Nope. Nope. So remember, we were here before, and we didn't have this purty scenery, and now we got some salt. And now we're going to have to go down and dirty in the salt. Alright, let's check this stuff out. Now, this doesn't add a heck of a lot. I mean, it changes the texturation to match what it's supposed to be to begin with. Or the coloration. Ooh, we're going to crash if we're not careful. But you know what? Sometimes it's the small things. I think I've said this before in some of my other mod spotlights. Sometimes it's the smallest things that make a big difference. And here, if you are a lover of salt flats, well, here we go. You're now at the Bonneville Salt Flats. Look at that. That's beautiful. Beautifully beautiful. Beautifulness. All right, let's see. How low can we go? Oh, there's our shadow. Good. Let's see how close we can get to our shadow. Let's play tag with our shadow. Ooh, yeah. How's that? You like that? It's like driving now. Wow. Yeah, so there we go. This is the Bonneville Salt Pack Salt Flat textures. And it does justice to the salt flats. So if you're looking to maybe do some machinima at the Bonneville Salt Flats on FSX, this pack will help it look like salt flats. Before, remember, it looked just like freaking sand, and that's not what salt flats look like. So there you go. Link for this is down below. This is a good mod, good texture to put in. It's simple, it's lightweight, but it makes a huge difference. This is what the salt flats look like, not that other guff. All right. So until next time, when we find different scenery, a different plane. It's been DerTebbers with your Flight Simulator X Scenery Spotlight, the Bonneville Salt Flats. Links down below. See how low you can go in the salt. Until next time, happy flying or crashing. Go!
United 351 North Alpha, good evening. Depart the Woodside VOR heading 060, vector visual approach runway 28 left.
Okay, out of Woodside 060 for 28 left, United 351.